The next section in this unit is on adding and subtracting polynomials. So we're going to go through a few examples, and then like usual you have a few problems that you need to work through. You will stay on until you have completed the Google form. So watch the video, complete the Google form. I will recognize or see that it's completed, and then you can log out and get yourself ready for your next class. When we are adding, we just need to, basically we're combining like terms in both of these, adding and subtracting, combining like terms. When you see the addition sign between it, you can just drop the parentheses completely, because it's like adding a positive a to the fourth, adding a negative a, adding a negative 6a squared. And so when you add a positive, it's just adding. When you add a negative, it's like subtracting. And when you add another negative, again, like subtracting. And then I just go ahead and combine like terms. So what goes with 8a? This is minus 1a, so that's 7a. This is negative 1a to the fourth plus 8a to the fourth. That would give me plus 7a to the fourth. And then I have a negative 8a squared minus 6a squared, so that's minus 14a squared. The last thing that I want to do when I'm done combining all the like terms is I want to put it in what we call descending order. So the highest power goes first, the next highest power, because there's nothing in front of that, that's a plus 7a to end it. So there is my final answer on that problem. The difference between the adding and subtracting is when you subtract, you have to change the sign of everything in the second set of parentheses. So I can't just drop the parentheses. The first set will stay the same, but the second one, this is minus a positive 6n, so that's minus 6m, minus a positive 6m cubed, so that's minus 6m cubed, minus a positive 5 is minus 5. So again, I have to change the sign of everything in there. But from there, then I just follow the same thing. I combine the like terms. The m cubes go together, negative 3m cubed, plus 7m minus 6m, so that's plus 1m. I can just write it as plus m, minus 4 minus 5 gives me a minus 9. This one is already in descending order, so I am done with that problem. There are going to be instances maybe where certain things can't be combined, so just prep yourself for that. But in our examples, everything matches up. I have something to combine with each thing. So again, this one's plus, so I'll just drop the parentheses and combine like terms. 7 minus 6 is 1. Negative 8n plus 1n, negative 7n to the fourth. The powers don't change. Powers only change when you multiply. Keep that in mind. Plus 3n squared minus 3n squared. That's plus 0n squared, which I don't even need to write. So when I put this in descending order, it's negative 7n to the fourth plus 1 for my final answer. And then lastly, one more where it's subtraction. Don't change the first, leave that as is. Change all the signs in the second, so every positive becomes minus, and the minus becomes plus. And then combine the matching, the identical variable parts. So the squareds go together, the fourths go together. So this is negative 1a squared. Remember, that's a 1 in front of there if I don't see a number, plus 5a to the fourth, minus 8, minus 7. Use your calculator if you need to. And then put it in descending order. I don't need that one there. minus 15, and final answer. All right, so now it's your job to go in and give these a try. You have 6 problems to work on. Again, I will see when you entered it, and once you're done with your 6 problems, then you can log out and prep yourself for your next class. All right,